Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating what matters. Lock irrelevant layers, then select the frame or group you want to fix. Once selected, check the right-hand inspector for X, Y, W, H values so you can work numerically. Turn on rulers or a layout grid to give consistent snaps. This prevents guessing. Make sure constraints are visible. They determine how objects respond to parent resizes. Now move to setting absolute position using the X and Y fields so your object won't drift. You now define how the object behaves. Choose constraints that match your intent, pin to left, center, or stretch, because constraints control repositioning when the parent changes. Then type exact X and Y coordinates to fix the location, and lock W and H if size must remain constant. If the element sits inside auto layout, adjust padding and spacing mode so it doesn't shift. Once done, test by resizing the parent frame to confirm the element stays put. You finish by validating. Enter present or export a preview to ensure the element holds position across breakpoints. If it moves unexpectedly, inspect nested frames. A parent auto layout or a stray constraint often causes shifts. Make sure constraints aren't set to scale. Switching to fixed pinning fixes many problems. As a troubleshooting tip, detach the layer from auto layout temporarily or use reset constraints to clear unexpected rules. This usually reveals the conflicting setting, so you can correct it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.